Alright, 3,000 good riddance. Get out of here.
Oh, come on!
I gotta start filming.
Right. Here we go!
Off we go to Bangor on 414, first train trip of the day.
Yay!
And look at
Off
this,
we
we're
go.
in pure luxury. Hello!
Hello!
We're pure luxury. I'm on 414 to Bangor. With
And there's the double service.
There's Shaun, Joseph and Francis.
Yeah! We got 4.
look
If anybody else wants to go 4 then praise.
These two, like for some.
I mean
We
the
got
other
the 4,000s,
persons.
we hit the
What, love?
freeze.
I mean the other persons.
The other persons?
Yeah?
I don't really know if I have any
There's 2, 3, 1.
opinions on it,
We're
sweetheart.
at 459, which Russ to start.
Will you hear the
Shaun
tone?
and I,
Will you hear?
unfortunately.
No tongue going through the tunnel?
Yep. Next stop is Titanic Quarter.
Heh.
That's a station from a day-to-day thing for me. There's the Hilton BT Tower. I wonder what type of lifts they have.
There's
in
a
that
car?
park.
Oh!
Otis? Yeah. Here, guys.
There's a car?
Here, guys. Here, guys.
You
What
listen?
about, guys, what about sometime maybe that car park back there? We try and find out what type of lifts are in it.
How do you get in there?
Sure, but there's
Oh, I'm sure we'll figure a way out.
River's very high today. Yeah.
Hey!
Alright,
What's that wee place called there?
Part of the waterfront, Joseph. Not to put
Oh,
your wee lid back on,
something
sweetheart.
like this.
That's okay. Great, me. Hey, we're
What?
rampy, jumpy. We're rampy.
Yeah. That's the old cheer up and work. There's the Dargan. I am no code.
Hey!
Pure luxury, pure luxury.
Want me to open it for you? Did you get them open?
Code,
Yep.
but I still decided to come out. If my code was any worse, I would have cancelled it today. Here, guys, look at this. Look at this. This shows how much I like coming out with you guys. I'm actually loaded with the code.
You
and
are.
I still decided to come
These are
out.
so good. And Pear Francis has a very sore back.
Titanic Quarter, Bridge End.
Little sore back, honey.
For the Belfast Met, Titanic Quarter.
Right, I'm going to finish this one now because it keeps on batteries, okay?
Okay.